A major grocery store chain discriminating against pregnant women in Middle Tennessee. That's the question in a lawsuit filed this week against Kroger grocery stores. News Channel 5's Jason Lamb has been looking over this lawsuit for us tonight. And Jason, this could be part of a bigger group of lawsuits.
Yeah, that's what legal experts that we've talked to are saying. The Kroger case comes after a U.S. Supreme Court ruling last year saying women can sue their employers for pregnancy discrimination if other employees are given certain work accommodations, but they are not.
I have so many of them.
In Jessica Craddock's cell phone, memories of the past 2 years with her son Javion
Just me and him on a day out.
are never far from reach.
Oh yeah, I've done wasted all my space in my phone taking pictures.
2 years ago, she says she was working in Kroger's deli department when she was pregnant with Javion.
My baby dropped in my cervix due to lifting.
After that, her doctor told her she couldn't lift more than 10 pounds. She says Kroger then put her on light duty in the deli, but after about 2 weeks, Kroger told her she'd have to go home without pay, and she couldn't come back to work until she could lift heavy boxes again, part of her job.
It was unexpected. It was stressful. I didn't even know if I was going to be able to come back to work, or how would I come back to work.
Craddock returned to work, but only after being out 7 weeks on unpaid leave, according to the class action lawsuit Craddock filed in federal court this week, saying Kroger violated the Pregnancy Discrimination Act because she says Kroger provides work accommodations to other employees with on-the-job injuries, but didn't permanently provide them to her. She says that forced her to choose between earning income and keeping a healthy pregnancy.
I was already at risk of miscarriage. So if I would have kept on, he wouldn't have probably been here today.
Craddock's lawsuit comes after a U.S. Supreme Court ruling last year against UPS, opening the door for pregnant women to sue their employers if they're not given work accommodations, but other employees are.
There have been a number of cases filed since that time.
Brandon Hall, an employment law attorney who's not a part of this lawsuit, says he thinks other companies nationwide will start changing because of that ruling.
When that precedent comes down, you start seeing these lawsuits. Corporations understand that they need to modify their policies, otherwise they're going to subject themselves to liability.
Craddock says she wants Kroger to change its pregnancy policies, not only for her, but also for others just like her. Kroger told us today in a statement, quote, "We generally do not comment on pending legal matters. Kroger is proud to be the employer of choice for over 8,000 Middle Tennessee residents," the statement says, "and we are committed to their health and well-being." Live in the newsroom, Jason Lamb, News Channel 5.
Jason.